It's been more than a year since I installed the oil drop floor mats for my Toyota Tacoma, and they're in perfect shape, Nothing happened. They're super resistant. They're super bulky for every situation. Like if you're coming from like a muddy place or sand, or your shoes are dirty or something like that, or wet, they can withstand anything. But since the brand contacted me to send me a replacement and new ones for me to install and show it in the video, I'm gonna replace them, but not because I have to, just because I have new ones. So for sure, I'm gonna show you how to do it. It's super simple, but the bottom line is that these are great quality floor mats for your Tacoma that goes from 2018 to 2023, and only for automatic transmission. So this model is only for automatic transmission. You can check others as well. If you have like any other trim or year, you can actually check them, but these are for the 2018 to 2023. Mine is a 2021 limited edition. So let's do it right now. So here we have the new one. This is for the driver's seat. We also have for the passenger seat, and of course for the back line as well. So you just remove the old one. In this case, we're gonna just remove it just like this, and it has the kind of like locking mechanism right here. So we need to kind of like soft push a little bit, and once it's done, these are the old ones. You can see perfect shape. The only thing it has for sure is some debris since there's dirty, of course, but these are in perfect shape after a year. And doing this is super simple. The only thing you need to do is just slide right here, make sure that you have connection right here with the lockings, and once that is done, you flip this, both of them, and this is ready to go. Same thing with the passenger seat. Just make sure that you have right here this section cover. You flip this kind of like lock in both of them, and that's it. Last but not least, you just slide these two. Once apply some pressure over there and push a little bit this section over here, and that's it. These are pretty much done as well. So one more time, these are super easy to install, great quality. They can withstand like anything, I have to say, like everything as well, because this thing, for example, for the passenger seat, they're super comfy, and you can have a place right there to kind of like rest your feet, and that's for mud and water or things like that. And for the driver's seat, I have to say that this looks really good. Yeah, I'm gonna give it a huge thumbs up. Again, I'm having the same one, but just new ones. I don't regret it. I have them for 1 year or more than a year, and they're in perfect shape. So now I just have new ones. Again, thumbs up, recommended. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.